Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you have watched our first episode on History of Artificial Intelligence covering quiz number 1 and 2. If you have not watched, please do visit us at the following social media channels. We shall continue our second episode to cover more topics on history of artificial intelligence. Happy quizzing to brush up your skills on the topic of artificial intelligence. Let's start the quiz. Do you know that in 1950, Alan Turing, a British mathematician and an expert in logic, published a paper titled Computing Machinery and Intelligence. In this paper, Alan Turing proposed the concept of a machine that could simulate any aspect of human intelligence. He also introduced the Turing Test as a criteria for machine intelligence. Even before Alan Turing, during 1940s, John von Neumann, a scientific genius who was also called as the father of game theory, developed an architecture. Based on this architecture, the stored program computers was developed. This development laid the groundwork for implementing AI algorithms. Marvin Minsky was a cognitive and computer scientist, and he was also regarded as one of the founding fathers of artificial intelligence. In 1956, he co organized, along with John McCarthy, the conference called as Dartmouth Conference. And this conference was considered as the founding event of artificial intelligence as a field of research. And in 1959, Marvin Minsky, along with John McCarthy, founded the MIT Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. This lab became a leading center for AI research and development.
For significant history of artificial intelligence, the following scientific genius will be remembered. John McCarthy, the father of artificial intelligence, who coined the term artificial intelligence and co-founded MIT Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. Alan Turing, who proposed the concept of a machine capable of simulating human intelligence called Turing machine and validation of it called as the Turing Test. John von Neumann, who contributed to the development of neural networks and computer architecture which laid the groundwork for implementing AI algorithms. And Marvin Minsky, who co-founded MIT Artificial Intelligence Laboratory in 1959 and did extensive research to contribute on many innovations related to AI. For remarkable contribution of these brilliant minds on AI, explore the various resources on Internet.